As you can see here, we have a Mercedes displaying transmission not in park, risk of vehicle rolling away. And if you're getting this warning on the dashboard, the first thing you need to do is don't start driving with that light on. Just apply the brakes, set transmission press over here to put the transmission in park. Then the next thing to do is open the driver's door and close it again. Make sure you just close that, and then you can go ahead and put it in drive, and then you should be able to drive and not get that warning. Now there might be a chance that you might still get that warning even after you open and close that door, you shut that door properly. If that is the case, the problem then it might be the door mechanism, the latch right here. It has a sensor that detects if the door is open or closed. So the door could be closed, but this sensor can be defective. As you can see here, this part right here latches on the car, but if this is defective, even though it might close and shut the door properly, the switch inside that detects if the door is open or closed, it could be defective. So they will need to come take off the door panel and remove this latch mechanism right here. Now you might be wondering why you're not getting door open warning. It's because the error message that you're getting is just more critical. Door open, it could be for any of the doors, could be passenger side or anything like that, but you get the transmission not in park and risk of rolling away because the vehicle thinks you are getting out of the vehicle. A lot of times if you open the door and you're moving, you might notice transmission automatically go into park and stop on its own. Vehicle might just jerk a little bit, but you don't want to depend on that. Make sure that you do shut the door properly and also have the transmission in park. That's it. Thank you for watching.